What's up guys? So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So Samsung's new budget smartwatch, which I've been testing for the last few days now. And today I bring you everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. Roll the intro. So Samsung has launched a new budget Galaxy Watch running Wear OS version 4 combined with Samsung's OneUI 5 on top. The new FE model or Fan Edition model comes with nearly all the new features that you would find in the new flagship Galaxy Watch 7, but with a few compromises to get to that low price. And speaking of price, you can pick this up right now for only £199, which is unheard of for a new Galaxy Watch. So shockingly low price, but how did they manage such a low price? Well, I'm about to tell you. Based on the specifications of the display and the chipset, the new Galaxy Watch SE is basically the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4 from 2021. So it seems like the smaller Galaxy Watch 4 has been brought back from the dead and it has been reincarnated and renamed with some extra features. Now, I don't actually have the smaller version of the GW4 to hand. This is the slightly bigger 44mm version, but they both share the same specifications as the new Galaxy Watch FE. Build quality is also the same. The Galaxy Watch FE features aluminium watch case with a smooth finish on the back, and you can see exactly the same health sensors on the back. So they both feature accelerometer, barometer, bioelectrical impedance sensor, electrical heart rate sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, optical heart rate sensor, and an ambient light sensor. But unfortunately, both the Galaxy Watch FE and the Galaxy Watch 4 do not have the temperature sensors, which were actually introduced from Galaxy Watch 5 onwards. So the new Galaxy Watch FE cannot measure your temperature. And just to show you, I'll bring in the Galaxy Watch 7 again, and on the back, you can see over here there is a small circle that represents the infrared temperature sensor. So that is missing from the FE model and missing from the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Now if we talk dimensions, the Galaxy Watch FE has exactly the same dimensions as the smaller Galaxy Watch 4. So 39mm in diameter and 9.8mm in thickness, and the weight is near enough the same as well. The display is also exactly the same as the smaller Galaxy Watch 4. So we have a 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 396 by 396. Now there is one difference here. The Galaxy Watch 4 actually uses Gorilla Glass DX, but the new Galaxy Watch FE actually features Sapphire crystal glass. So the glass has been upgraded in the new FE model, which is certainly a good thing. The chipset is exactly the same in both watches. Both feature the Exynos W920 dual-core clocked at 1.18 GHz. So you are getting an old chipset from 2021 in the new FE model. The chipset is generally okay, but sometimes certain tasks will feel laggy. So like when you open an app, all of a sudden you might feel some lagginess, especially after using the newer Galaxy Watch 7 series. The FE certainly feels underpowered. Now I also feel that the new Wear OS 5 update is not actually well optimized for the old W920, and Samsung should have given the FE a slightly updated or custom version of that chipset. Now RAM and storage is also the same. That's 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage, same as the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Battery capacity is also the same as the Galaxy Watch 4 smaller version. So that's 247 mAh battery built in, offering typically a 40-hour battery life depending on usage. The Galaxy Watch FE also has the same 5 ATM and military standard certifications as you find in nearly all the Galaxy Watches, including Galaxy Watch 4 series. So side by side, it's exactly the same watch, same performance, hardware-wise and sensor-wise, it's the same watch. So yeah, this is the slightly bigger version, but it has the same specs, same sensors. Galaxy Watch 4 44mm version, but if you grab the 40mm version, it's identical to this watch. So let's keep going. Software and OS is also exactly the same. Both the Galaxy Watch 4 series and the Galaxy Watch FE feature the latest Wear OS version 4 with OneUI version 5 on top. And just to confirm, all Galaxy Watches from Galaxy Watch 4 onwards have also been given the same latest update. So you basically get all the new watch faces, the tiles, the enhanced sleep coaching, the heart rate zones, nearly all the new features as found in the Galaxy Watch 7 you can get in all Galaxy Watches from version 4 onwards. But I do have to mention the latest Galaxy Watch 7 is actually running Wear OS version 5 with OneUI version 6 on top. So the absolute latest software will be found in the Galaxy Watch 7. Apparently, in the near future, the Galaxy Watch FE will also get that Wear OS 5 update, and so will the Galaxy Watch 4, but we're still waiting for that to happen. So in a nutshell, the FE is basically the Galaxy Watch 4 reincarnated. So let me tell you what's actually new in the new Galaxy Watch FE. The Bluetooth version has been apparently updated from version 5 to version 5.3. So if that's true, expect better Bluetooth connectivity and stability in the new FE model. Screen has also been updated from Gorilla Glass DX to Sapphire Crystal Glass, so tougher, more scratch resistant display. You get quick release straps included, which you didn't get in the Galaxy Watch 4 series. You just get the old school quick release, but the quick release buttons are a lot better. Also, the Galaxy Watch FE and the GW4 series both come with a slower USB-A charging cable. So magnetic USB charger and it's USB-A. Now the more recent Galaxy Watches come with a USB-C fast charging cable. So yeah, I have tested the USB-C fast charging cable and it doesn't charge these watches any faster. So these watches do not support fast charging. The charging is nowhere near as fast as the new Galaxy Watch 7 series. I also mentioned there's no temperature sensor either included, and that is it. That is pretty much the differences. So let me break it down for you guys. Team Samsung sat around a conference desk in a meeting, and the discussion would have been, we have a truckload of Galaxy Watch 4s. How do we resell them again without the customers noticing? Let's relaunch them as the Galaxy Watch FE. We will update the glass protection to Sapphire to make it sound good. We'll throw in quick release straps and we'll update the Bluetooth to Bluetooth 5.3, price them at $199, and customers will go crazy for such a cheap new Galaxy Watch. Even though they can buy a Galaxy Watch 4 series watch for £85 or less on Amazon or eBay right now, we can make over £100 on them and clear all our old stock. And if it works well, next year we will launch the Galaxy Watch FE2, and that will basically be the Galaxy Watch 5 reincarnated as the FE2, and we can clear all of them as well, all at once. Wow, we are good, aren't we? I bet no one notices. So there you have it, guys. That was my overview of the Galaxy Watch FE. I tried to keep it professional with you guys, but added some humor instead of anger. Not much to say. This is basically the Galaxy Watch 4 14mm model. I've already done a full review of this model. Expect the same performance, the same battery life, the same features. Is it worth $199? I don't think so, as the chipset is too old and the experience can be quite laggy at times. Sometimes it will be working smooth as butter, then all of a sudden you'll try opening an app or scrolling the menus and you will feel stutters and lag. Remember, the old chipset is not designed to work with Wear OS 4 or even Wear OS 5, especially with all the new features that it comes with. Do expect to experience the occasional lag. Other than that, this is still the cheapest way to get a brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch. If you want to save money though, I would say pick up the Galaxy Watch 4, 5 or 6 from eBay and enjoy the same or slightly better experience if you get a newer model. I was actually not going to buy this watch or cover it on the channel, but when I saw what Samsung has done, I had to report it to you guys in a video so you guys know the facts and you can make your own informed decision. Now don't get me wrong, this watch will offer you a very good Samsung Galaxy experience on a budget price. You're getting nearly all the features that you would expect to find in their flagship models. You're just getting the older processor, the older performance and the slower charging and everything else I mentioned. Now if you already got a Galaxy Watch 4 and you buy this, it's going to feel like the same watch. Because Galaxy Watch 4 is running exactly the same software now. It's all been updated. If you have a Galaxy Watch 5, 6 or above, this is definitely going to feel like a downgrade. So that's all for this video. Any questions, do let me know in the comments. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.